Thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and I am under my kitchen sink. The plan is to get it together today, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a job that I don't enjoy. So I would like to give a special thanks to at Penny's Place, Penny over there. Thank you, Penny, for hosting this challenge. Penny's been actually doing this challenge for the last, I think this is the 5th week, but she has a challenge where she's cleaning her way to a better her. And she's been, each Wednesday, she's been cleaning a portion of her kitchen. And so instead of joining in on this challenge with Penny from week 1, I've been just watching the videos and getting all kinds of motivation. So finally on week 5, I'm joining in. I welcome you to check my description box below so that you can hop over to Penny's channel after watching here today. Go back and check out her first 4 videos for each week, as well as the playlist, because there's been other creators that have been participating along with her. So you want to check those out. Great motivation. So a special thanks to Penny. But let me go ahead and get started with this. So this is what the under the sink area is looking like now. As you can see, it's a bit of a hot mess, which is typical for me. I have a problem keeping things organized. But I purchased this system here. I've probably had it about 3 years now, and it's working really well. So I'm definitely going to keep that, but I've got some things in here and I'm able to kind of pull out and use that. So I'm going to continue to use that, but I am going to take everything out and kind of organize it. It's also an opportunity for me to make sure that I don't have any leaks under the sink, because I've not done that in a while. So I want to check and make sure that it is dry. I don't feel any moisture or anything like that under here, because you don't want those types of things to go undetected for long. So I'm gonna stop yapping here because I got work to do and I can't work and talk at the same time. So enjoy the video. I'll be back on in a few. Now I have no idea why or how some toilet bowl cleaner got under the sink, but that's where it was. You can tell by the look of my face, I'm finding all types of crazy things under here that should not be, but it's a good time to pull everything out and see what I have, and especially address any duplicates. I am famous for having duplicate products all over the place, so this will give me a chance to make sure that I have all of the products together as they should be. Now this area is quite nasty, so I'm using some Method antibacterial cleaner on here, and you're going to see later that I'm going to add a couple other cleansers under here because I have some stubborn spots here that I'm having a hard time getting up. I don't use contact paper, and I do not know why. I probably should. I did buy some rubber, sort of like some rubber mats or whatever to put under here, but they're not really large enough for the entire space, but I do like them. So I'm going to be seeking out some larger ones and see if I can find those. After the Method didn't work, I tried a little bit of Comet. That didn't really work, so then I rinsed it off really good, and then I tried some Awesome. That got it a little bit better, but it's still stained under here, so I definitely need to pick up those mats ASAP. have these two small canisters. I use one for my dishwasher pads, and then I use the other one for Brillo pads, and I really do like those in there. One thing that I'm putting down here now that I'm trying new is a small Lazy Susan. I'm going to try to put some of the products that I use like on a daily basis on here and see if that'll help me to be able to reach them so that things don't get pushed back and I don't know what's there. So I'm putting the bigger things that I don't reach for very often in the back, and then the most commonly used items I'm going to try on this Lazy Susan. Please don't ask me why I have so many dish brushes, because I don't have an answer for you. I just do. But this is what the space is looking like. It is definitely a lot better. I now know what's under here, and it is clean. Here's an example of some duplicates that I ran across. I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the contents into the other bottle because both of them are like half used already, which is crazy. So now I have it all in one container, and yeah, it's just so much better. That just frees up space. That was absolutely ridiculous having two bottles that you're currently using of the same thing. So it is looking better. At least now I know that it is clean under there, and I didn't see any leaks or anything like that. So that's a good thing. I do need to pick up those rubber mats to put up under here though, so that I don't mess up my cabinet. So I will do that. And I'm just doing some cleaning now of the insides of my cabinet, something I do not do nearly enough, just kind of getting those nice and fresh and clean. And that is today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Please don't forget to stop over Penny's channel as well as the playlists that are all going to be in the description box. I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye-bye.